So, Taro with Alpacas, lubed 205D0 on a copper plate, done with the flex placement for gaskets. This is the Charon. Charon. This is pronounced that way. And here we go. There we go. Here's the keyboard. I wrapped it up for dramatic effect. I'm sorry. First of all, big fan of this purple. But here's the board. This is the... I'm mispronouncing it and Chozo's going to hate me, but he's not here right now, I don't think. So it's the Charon? Charon? I don't remember. Anyways, here it is. Oh, you don't have to apologize. I'm literally just so grateful that you guys are Charon. Okay. Chozo, you had it? Oh, fuck. I'm just grateful you guys are being here. Like, honestly, I love you guys so much, and you guys being here means the world to me. So, really cool things to note. So we'll go over some good things that are, like, off the bat. This is just a interchangeable badge that you can kind of make yourself if you really want to. So you can kind of put whatever material you want and screw it in for this, like, little owl logo, which is pretty neat. And you guys can see it's a 2-part weight. Thank you so much, Aristein, for the tier 1. I really appreciate you. Here's the back badge. And so my concern was, I asked him, I'm like, well, you can kind of visibly see some of the machining. And I'm like, is that going to go away? From what I was told, this is not bead blasted to the designer's preference. So this should be a little bit better. Even so, in its current state, I actually think this is so unique still. But I agree, dude, a patinaed weight would be beautiful. I do think a copper weight is going to look gorgeous. So, I believe this is... Oh, God. The story behind this is what? The person who brings the coins to the gate of hell? Is that it? I forgot. Anyways, I think this is supposed to... Yeah, that's it. River sticks. Very, very cool. I really, really dig this. What else? You know what else I really like about this as well, too? Yeah, he ferries the souls. That's it. Patina will be offered. That's going to be awesome. Copper is the base weight, if I'm correct. I would go with the copper, honestly. I think this keyboard's going to look really good with patina. This also has a 4-degree typing angle, which piques my interest. Because if you guys remember, I like that typing angle. Anything higher than 7 is when I tend to go a little bit stray away from it. So that's another really big thing that I like about this. There's going to be tons of extra things offered with this too, which from what I'm told again. By the way, this is not a sponsored build. This is just something I was sent to take a look at, not even paid for. This is literally my own thoughts, if anyone's curious. I just really wanted to take a look at the board. You can do a brass and stainless weight. Yeah, you can mix and match. I think in the demo one that he sent, it's copper, I believe, and stainless. I can't remember. But beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. I'm super my own thoughts, dude. All right. So, and then got some other stuff to show you guys. Here is a look at the hot swap PCB. Ooh, which is super cool, by the way. So I'm not going to use hot swap today. I'm going to solder, if that's okay, dot matrix. I don't even think this was flashed from what I remember reading. But yeah, there's the hot swap PCB. I like the silk screen. Very cool. I like. You can see all the hands reaching up. If you guys have seen Hercules, you guys know what I mean. Yeah, dude, I agree with you, hipster MIA. I think like the PCB design area, like if you can make a clean one, then by all means. But this is super cool. This is super neat. I love this design here. But we're not going to use this one here. Back down for now. All right. Let's grab some of the other stuff here. put this. And we are going to put this in between the plate and the PCB because I want to try that. The other pretty neat thing about this too is it uses variable gaskets, which I have some illustrations which we might follow. But I think there was one illustration which I'm like, oh, I'd like to try that. And I think I opted for a copper plate. I think so. But yeah, you can see copper has some patina already happening to it, which is cool. If you guys like that rugged look, then you guys will like this kind of stuff. If you guys don't, go for something plastic. Just 15 more minutes. What happened? So there you guys go. I think this is going to be a cool color combo. And this is the purple. Actually, Dot Matrix, is this going to come in purple? Or is this going to come in black? I forgot to ask you that. That was the one actual question I had other than this too. I've been MIA. What's the board up top? The board up top is a glass keyboard. It's the Boulder. Very nice PCB. I'm unsure which color to keep. Purple. Please keep purple. If you're going to go with a purple board, I think the purple's going to be awesome for it. For protos, I did one purple, one black. Do purple, dude. Purple's so nice. Oh, this is going to look so cool with this. Purple it is, yeah. Alright, so we're going to do some stabs. And there we go. We got some other cool things here. It looks like these are wood, so we can maybe switch some of these out too. These are the boat that you guys saw here. And there's also a wood owl. I guess this is an owl. But very cool. I think this is a very neat one. Did you only get a copper plate? Sorry, came late? Yes. As far as I know, there was nothing else in the box. I appreciate that even though the case itself is somewhat standard, the design around it is very unique. Yeah. But we're going to see what it sounds like too. Well, that's what really interested me about this keyboard in particular was just like this part here. I think this was so creative to integrate like the boat as a separate piece of the weight that I was like, damn, I want to take a look at that. That's so neat. I've never used copper in a metal build before, believe it or not. I've used copper in acrylic tons of times. Alright, let's move all this stuff over. Are those rubber bumpers inside the case? Yes, I will show you guys how the gasket mounting is going to work. It's variable, so you can kind of put it where you want, but there's some suggestions. So I like aluminum for tactile switches because I find it helps with that noise that I typically like for aluminum. Oh no. Let's straighten up some of the copper here. So it looks like this copper is a bit soft. So you guys can kind of see it's easily shifting here, which shouldn't be too much of a problem, but we'll make it all even. So I guess that is something else to look into for when these are shipping out. I don't know if they're supposed to be that soft, but
What is your personal favorite board you've built?
My personal favorite? Thank you so much for the 500 bits. And Cutie actually said your voice is so soothing and calm. Thank you, dude. I appreciate that, Cutie. My favorite board that I've built so far. Do you mean super in terms of like, was it fun to build, or like favorite sounding, or just overall like most enjoyable? Because if it was the most enjoyable, I would say the Salvation was the most enjoyable overall build. But currently the build that I lean towards the most is the new. But I think as of recent, the 7V. But the new is still one of my favorites, and same with the Salvation. Dude, I can already tell I'm going to love this typing angle. So this is a 4-degree typing angle, guys. Ooh. I can already tell I'm going to love this. Here's the board, by the way, guys. There it is. Oh, that's right, wave depth. You're right. I can't do it, dude. Say no to flippers. Okay, you know what? Look at that. The ando is very nice on this, by the way. The only concern I had, one being that there's 2 south-facing switches, which are going to be corrected, was this weight. Definitely you can see some machining marks, but I'm told that this is going to get corrected for the most part on the final run. This is just a prototype. Very cool, though. So if you guys don't know, this is the guy who brings the soles on the boat. Super, super cool weight. I like the design of this keyboard. All right. And also, this is really cool, too, because this is wood. There's even some wood elements here. You can get the other metal piece here. I don't know. I just really like this. It looks so cool. All right, let's do a sound test. Listen, guys. We'll see if we flip it, all right? Hold on. We'll see if we flip it. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see. Yeah, dude, this is nice. This is nice. Nice USB-C placement. I like this. This is cool. It's pronounced Charon? Okay. You know what? I don't even know anymore. How's your extra PCB? Yeah, it came in. I don't know when I'm going to build it, though, Thomas. Super, super cool, dude. Here's some pics of my proto. Yeah, it's so nice with the patinaed back there. I think I much prefer patina. This really suits the keyboard. Yeah, dude, this is nice. Did you feel the flex? Oh yeah. Common misconception, chat. We're going to talk about this for a quick second. I know it says flex. Is that accurate? Not really, because gaskets don't really add flex. What gaskets do is they help absorb some of the impact of the case, obviously with contact on the metal from the plate. So it's going to eliminate some of that resonance there, like that vibration, that feedback, and those negative sounds you might get with that. But it's not actually there to help with flex. It can help with some bounciness. It's a little different than flex. But flex is really done by the flex cuts in a PCB as well as like a softer plate. So you're not typically going to find flex, especially because we used a copper plate, So there's no flex. It is nice to type on. It does feel soft, but there's not flexy. It's not like Salvation flexy, I dig this though. This is awesome. This is very nice. I like it. I think this is a great one. Are you guys going to go for this board yourselves? Are you guys going to go for it? Yeah, dude, this is nice. I like this a lot. Again, this was just sent to me just to try it out. It's not paid or anything like that. My honest thoughts. I do feel like this definitely needs to be improved. There's a lot of machining works, as you guys can see. It's pretty visible. You guys can kind of see that. I do feel like that's the only criticism I really have for this. Otherwise, I think this is a bang up job. I think this is a great keyboard. Sounds great, feels great, looks good. Some very cool design elements in it. This is the only issue I have. That's it. What plate do I have in this one? A copper plate. And I love the fact that this is kind of designed around being able to patina a little bit too. But again, I'm told there's going to be better bead blasting on the back, and the other issues that we kind of looked at are really non-issues because they're already fixed.